Yo, what is up, everybody? We are back with another video, another adventure, but this one is special. This time we're going to a place I've always dreamed of. A place unlike any other. A place where beauty just hits different. You ready? We're going to Norway, and we're not just going to Norway, we're seeing it all from the sky. Drones, epic sweeping shots, the kind that makes you realize how small we are in this crazy, beautiful world. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready for the ride. All right, let's talk Norway. This country, man, it's like stepping into a postcard. Everywhere you look, it's just mountains and water, this perfect marriage of power and peace. You got these mountains, right? Jagged peaks that disappear into the clouds, some of them capped with snow even in the summer. You can almost feel the history in them, you know, like they've seen it all. And then there's the water, crystal clear, reflecting the sky so perfectly. It's like you're looking at two worlds at once. It's the kind of beauty that makes you want to pull over, breathe deep, and just soak it all in. We're talking waterfalls that look like they fall from the heavens, glaciers that have been around for thousands of years, forests so green and lush they feel untouched. Norway's landscape, it's not just beautiful, it's humbling. It makes you realize how small we are, but in the best way possible. Now let's talk about the fjords, because these things, they're on another level. Imagine this, sheer cliffs rising straight out of the water, some of them thousands of feet high, and nestled between them these deep blue inlets, these fingers of water that snake their way inland. The scale of it all, it's almost impossible to comprehend. It's like someone took a giant knife and just sliced through the earth, creating these dramatic, breathtaking landscapes. And then you got the waterfalls, countless waterfalls cascading down the cliffs, some just trickles, others roaring torrents of water. It's like nature's putting on a show, and trust me, you've got a front row seat. We took the drone up, right, and flew it through these fjords, and let me tell you, it was an experience I'll never forget. The wind in your face, the spray of the waterfalls, the sheer scale of it all, it was just magic. If you ever go to Norway, the fjords are a must-see. Okay, picture this. It's the middle of the night and the sky is this deep, velvety black. It's so clear you can see every single star, like someone sprinkled diamonds across the night. And then it starts. A faint green glow on the horizon, shimmering, dancing. And then it intensifies, this wave of color washing across the sky, green, purple, pink, all swirling together like something out of a dream. That, my friends, is the Northern Lights. And it's even more incredible in person than anything you've ever seen in pictures or videos. We were lucky enough to catch it on one of the clearest nights. And let me tell you, it was an emotional experience. To stand there, surrounded by the silence of the Arctic night, watching these celestial lights dance across the sky, it makes you feel small but connected to something much, much bigger than yourself. All right, let's shift gears for a second and head south to Bergen, home to the iconic Briggen Hanseatic Wharf. Now, this place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. It's like stepping back in time. Imagine this. Colourful wooden buildings all crammed together along the waterfront, their gables facing the harbour. This was once the heart of Bergen's trading empire, a bustling hub where ships from all over the world would dock and unload their goods. You can almost hear the echoes of the past, you know? The shouts of merchants, the creaking of ropes, the smell of spices and salt air. We took the drone up and got these amazing shots of the wharf with its narrow alleyways and hidden courtyards. It's amazing to think that these buildings have stood the test of time, witnessing centuries of history. If you're a history buff like me, Briggen is a must-see. Next up, we're heading north again, way north to the Lofoten Islands. Now, these islands, they're like something out of a fairy tale. Imagine towering, jagged peaks rising straight out of the sea, their slopes covered in emerald green grass. And nestled between these peaks, you've got these picturesque fishing villages with their brightly coloured houses perched precariously on stilts over the water. It's a landscape unlike anything you've ever seen before. We're talking dramatic coastlines with hidden beaches and crystal clear water. We're talking rolling hills dotted with sheep and skies that stretch on forever. We took the drone up and flew it all over the islands, and let me tell you, it was an experience I'll never forget. If you're looking for adventure, for a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, the Lofoten Islands are calling your name. All right, let's talk about Pulpit Rock, or Preikestolen, as the Norwegians call it. This place, it's not for the faint of heart. Imagine a giant flat-topped cliff jutting out over the Lysefjord, a sheer drop of over 2,000 feet to the water below. Yeah, you heard that right, 2,000 feet. Now, the hike up to the top, it's no walk in the park, it's a solid few hours of uphill trekking. But let me tell you, the view from the top, it's worth every single step. Standing on the edge of a Pulpit Rock, it's like you're standing on the edge of the world. You can see for miles in every direction the fjord stretching out beneath you like a giant blue mirror. It's the kind of place that makes you feel small and insignificant, but also incredibly alive. It's a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. Next up, we're heading to what many consider the crown jewel of Norway's fjords, the Geirangerfjord. This place, it's like something out of a dream. Imagine towering cliffs draped in emerald green vegetation, plunging straight down into the deep blue waters of the fjord. And cascading down those cliffs, you've got countless waterfalls, some just trickles, others roaring torrents of water. We took a ferry through the fjord and the views were just breathtaking. The air was so clean and fresh, and the silence was only broken by the sound of the waterfalls and the occasional bird call. It's a reminder that sometimes the most amazing experiences are the ones that are simple and pure. All right, let's take a break from all the natural beauty for a second and head to Oslo, Norway's vibrant capital city. Now, Oslo is a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with modern Scandinavian cool. On the one hand, you've got stunning architecture like the Oslo Opera House, this gleaming white structure that seems to rise out of the water. And then you've got historic landmarks like the Akershus Fortress, a medieval castle that's seen centuries of history. We spent a few days exploring the city, wandering through its streets, checking out the museums, and just soaking up the atmosphere. It's a city that has something to offer everyone, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for a good time. All right, we're heading back north now, all the way up to Tromsø, the gateway to the Arctic. And while we're here, we've got to check out the Arctic Cathedral, one of the most unique and stunning churches you'll ever see. Now, this isn't your typical church. Imagine this, a soaring, angular structure built entirely of concrete and glass, its white exterior reflecting the snow and ice of the surrounding landscape. We took the drone up and got these amazing shots of the cathedral with its dramatic angles and stark beauty. If you're ever in Tromsø, the Arctic Cathedral is a must-see. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. So there you have it, Norway in all its glory, from the towering fjords to the vibrant cities, from the northern lights to the charming fishing villages. This country is a feast for the senses. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a place that will inspire you, challenge you, and make you appreciate the beauty of the natural world in a whole new way. We covered a lot of ground on this trip, but trust me, we've only scratched the surface. There's so much more to see and do in this incredible country, and who knows? Maybe we'll be back someday to explore it even further. That's a wrap from Norway. I hope you guys enjoyed that journey as much as I did. This place, it's something else. It makes you realize that the world is a pretty incredible place, full of beauty and wonder. So if you're ever feeling lost or stuck or just need a little inspiration, come to Norway. Seriously, what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure. You won't regret it. And hey, if you dug this video, please subscribe to the channel for more adventures and let me know in the comments where we should go next. Peace and love to all.